Hello, friends. How are you? Welcome back once again. Hope you like my last video, which is informative video about birds vaccination. Today I'm giving soft food to my birds. It's wheat. I soaked it for 24 hours and then boiled. My birds' bowl are very dirty, so first, I'm going to wash them. Clean environment is very important for you, birds' health. Now gave them the soft boiled wheat, approximately 1 tablespoon for each birds. They are waiting impatiently. Soft food is important for all birds. It is helpful in breeding season. To your birds, at least 3 to 4 days. Options like corn, spinach, coriander, mint, apples, wheat, etc. Now, giving this to my birds one by one. First, it's cocktail turn. They love to eat this. She is waiting impatiently. It's time for budgies. They like it very much. Look how they are enjoying their soft food. I think I should give them in 2 separate bowls. But they eat one by one without fighting. Hello, buddy. Are you happy now? These are my cute dove. Peter is always ready for soft food. Hope you like my video. If you like, please subscribe and press the bell icon for more informative videos about birds. Take care of yourself. Bye.